Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best bench grinders that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off our list at number 5 is the WEN BG4260 2.1 amp 6-inch single-speed bench grinder. This is the budget-friendly option on the list, priced at just $47.77, making it perfect for those who need a reliable grinder without breaking the bank. It features a 2.1 amp motor that spins its 6-inch grinding wheels at speeds of up to 3,450 RPM, giving you enough power for basic grinding tasks. Included are one 60 grit wheel and one 36 grit wheel, both fitted with half-inch arbors for versatility. Additionally, pivoting tool rests and adjustable eye guards ensure safety and precision during operation. In terms of design, the BG4260 is compact and lightweight, weighing just 14 pounds and measuring 12 inches long. The orange and black aesthetic lends it a professional look, though the build quality feels a bit simpler compared to higher-end grinders. It's backed by a 2-year warranty, which adds confidence to your purchase. Performance-wise, this grinder is ideal for light-duty tasks, like sharpening tools or cleaning up edges, but it does struggle a bit with heavy-duty applications. While it's not the most powerful grinder in this lineup, the BG4260 is excellent for hobbyists or occasional users who need an affordable and straightforward tool. Its pros include affordability, ease of use, and compact design. On the downside, it lacks advanced features like variable speed control and additional lighting. If you're looking for an entry-level grinder with reasonable performance, this is a solid pick. Coming in at number 4 is the WEN BG4276 2.1 amp 6-inch single-speed bench grinder with flexible work light. Priced at $51.83, it offers a step up from the BG4260 with the addition of a flexible work light that illuminates your workspace for greater precision. Like its sibling, it features a 2.1 amp motor that drives the 6-inch wheels at speeds of up to 3,450 RPM. This grinder is designed to handle basic tasks such as sharpening old tools, knives, and drill bits, and it includes one 60 grit wheel and one 36 grit wheel for versatility. The BG4276 has a slightly larger footprint than the BG4260, measuring 14 inches long and weighing 16 pounds. The flexible work light is a standout feature that makes working in dimly lit areas more manageable, though the overall build quality remains similar to the more budget-friendly BG4260. It's backed by a 2-year warranty, further ensuring peace of mind. Performance-wise, this grinder is reliable for light to moderate tasks, providing consistent results for hobbyists and occasional users. The BG4276's pros include its affordable price point, added work light, and durable construction. However, its single-speed motor may not be suitable for those needing more control or versatility. Additionally, its lightweight design can lead to slight vibrations during operation. Overall, this model is ideal for users who want a low-cost grinder with convenient lighting features for better visibility. At number 3, we have the WEN BG4282 4.8 amp 8-inch single-speed bench grinder. Priced at $84.39, this grinder offers more power and features than its smaller counterparts. Its 4.8 amp motor drives the larger 8-inch grinding wheels at speeds of up to 3,450 RPM, making it suitable for more demanding tasks. The standout features here are the adjustable eye guards, which include built-in LED lights to illuminate your workpiece, and the onboard quenching tray that helps cool down workpieces during extended grinding sessions. In terms of design, the BG4282 has a sturdy and professional look with its black and orange color scheme. At 30.5 pounds and measuring 14 inches long, it's built for stability and durability. This model is ideal for users who require a grinder for longer sessions or larger projects due to its larger grinding wheels and enhanced cooling capabilities. Performance-wise, it provides consistent power and precision, with tool rests and adjustable guards ensuring safety and accuracy. The The BG4282's pros include its powerful motor, LED work lights, and cooling tray, which collectively make it a versatile and reliable choice for both hobbyists and professionals. However, its single-speed motor may limit its adaptability for specific applications, and it's slightly bulkier than other models. If you're looking for a mid-range grinder with extra features for longer grinding tasks, this one is worth considering. Coming in at number 2 is the WEN BG625 V2.5 amp 6-inch variable speed bench grinder with flexible work light. Priced at $123.25, this grinder offers a step up in versatility with its variable speed motor that ranges from 2,000 to 3,400 RPM. This allows users to tailor the grinding speed to the specific needs of their project, whether it's sharpening tools, polishing surfaces, or removing rust. It includes one 80-grit wheel and one 36-grit wheel, pivoting tool rests for precision, and adjustable eye guards for safety. The BG625V has a compact yet robust design, weighing 30.8 pounds and measuring 15.35 inches long. Its flexible work light is a welcome addition, ensuring visibility even in darker workspaces. The variable speed functionality is a game changer for users seeking greater control over their grinding tasks, making it suitable for a wider range of applications. Performance-wise, this grinder operates smoothly and delivers consistent results with minimal vibration thanks to its solid construction. The BG625V's pros include its variable speed motor, durable build, and flexible work light. However, it is priced higher than other WEN models and may not be necessary for those who only need a single-speed grinder. If you're looking for precision, versatility, and reliability, this model is a fantastic choice for advanced users and professionals alike. And finally, at number 1, we have the DeWalt DW758 8-inch bench grinder. Priced at $143.85, this is the premium option on our list and a true powerhouse for heavy-duty applications. It features a 3/4 HP induction motor that delivers superior power, running at a maximum speed of 3,600 RPM for high-speed material removal. The rugged cast iron base and motor housing ensure durability and longevity, while precision-machined aluminum tool rests allow users to accurately position their work. The DW758 is built for industrial-grade tasks, with a spacious 12.5-inch distance between wheels that allows for larger and longer grinding applications. Additional features include rear exhaust ports for smoother operation and included components such as 60-grit and 36-grit wheels, eye shields, spark deflectors, and tool rests. Weighing 7.7 ounces, it's surprisingly lightweight given its powerful motor and robust build. This grinder's pros include its incredible power, durable construction, and industrial-grade performance. It's perfect for professionals who require a reliable grinder for intensive tasks like sharpening heavy tools or grinding down tough materials. On the downside, it's the most expensive model on the list and may be overkill for casual users. If you're looking for the best of the best in bench grinders, the DeWalt DW758 is undoubtedly the top choice. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.